10 Amazon Home Finds. This mini mop features a built-in sponge and a push-pull design, allowing you to clean and wring it out without getting your hands wet. These are furniture pads attached to the base of your items, making it easy to move them around without scratching your floors. To chill your drinks, a thin ice tray creates ice scoops that fit perfectly into any bottle size, including beer bottles, keeping your beverages cold wherever you are. Next, this is a viral at-home slush machine which transforms your favorite drinks and juices into a thick, icy slush with ease. This is a thermal printer, which eliminates the need for ink, using thermal technology and special paper to save you money in the long run. For candle lovers, this spiral-designed candles melt inward, channeling wax to the center. It makes them reusable. Save kitchen space with this easy-to-install pot and pan holders. This is a glowing TV remote cover, which glow in the dark to ensures you never lose it. This is a sleek toilet paper dispenser, keeps an entire pack of rolls neatly organized. The sloped interior automatically pushes the next roll downward, while the narrow design fits tight spaces. The lid even doubles as a shelf. Finally, these LED light dimming stickers are perfect for your devices, reducing bright lights that might disrupt your sleep.